Ni'n fyw! Whoops, rwy'n skip o'r little nice transition. Oh well, on my giant Skype logo on my camera fi.
Gwych,
Bear
dechreuad
with.
dda.
Yeah.
Great.
Just bear with pobl sy'n gwylio. My Skype's not playing ball heddiw. Yeah, I'm just trying to set a webcam fi back.
Oh yeah.
Un momento, por favor. Mae neb yn gwylio anyway, ar y ffôn, just like un person na.
Am fine. O, mae Kieran yn gwylio. Mae safona uchel dy Kieran, so bydde wir yn siomedig.
Yeah.
Na, dim ond. Fi'n gwybod, mae rhan o'n streams ni yw yr ochr technegol, felly, yeah.
How many webcam fi? Just like not... Webcam why?
Yeah, falle ti'n gwybod y syniad na o just rhoi y syth mewn fel audio...
Rwy'n trio
O, ti wedi wneud hynna? Oh, right, okay.
A mae just ddim yn dangos.
Falle mae'r thing Skype yn kind of o flaen e. Os ti oedd yn y rester yna, os ti'n rhoi e ar y top.
No, mae webcam just D.
Mae Kieran wedi dweud mae'r technical difficulties yn aelod arbennig o'r crew yn chwarae.
Yeah, mae on.
Yeah.
Mr. Technical Difficulties.
Yeah. Ond weithiau mae fe'n ategu at y stream, fel fi'n siŵr oedd pawb di joio mas draw y sŵn daeth o Mike Thomas yn y stream Among Us diwetha.
Yeah.
Oedd hwnna just oedd hwnna ar planed gwahanol fi'n credu.
Oh, mine like incredibly delayed.
Ydy e? Oh.
Like, Mine like treating it, what the hell?
Ydy e?
Yeah. Oh, right.
Ydy... Os ti... So i ti neud e trwy Skype, y camera ti nawr?
Fi yn, oherwydd mae ddim yn gweithio trwy Streamlabs. It's not showing up. What?
I don't know. Tell me pam.
I don't know. Mae'n gweithio trwy a Windows camera app. Damn it, Streamlabs!
Come on, slobs.
We've an update to heddiw, apparently.
Oh, yeah. Well.
Video capture, add. Let's just aggiaveto. Add a new source. Webcam.
Tomato sauce. Saus coch.
Oh! There I am.
Dyna ti.
Okay. Done. Good. Done good. Right. Dyna fi. You know what, remember just... Oh, right, back to this scene. My webcam, my microphone's ar y scene hyn.
Okay, good.
Right, na gall plenty, right, where's the webcam scene? Ooh, right, rwy'n mynd I boot o lan Snapchat camera a Windows, yes. So rwy'n gallu rhoi fake green screen tu ôl fy hun. So, screw Skype ddim yn gweithio.
Yeah. So, dyma'r adeg nawr lle mae rhaid ni dweud ewch I nôl eich losin, eich popcorn neu beth bynnag melys chi'n hoffi wrth mynd i'r cinema. Os oes gyda chi slushy machine, peiriant slushy yn y tŷ, dyma'r amser I just tynnu'r dolen a cael bach o slush puppies. Neu... Oh, actually, es I party pythefnos yn ôl. Na, falle mis yn ôl, actually. Mae amser yn blur ar hyn o bryd. A oedd rhywun ar gyfer y party wedi cael renti peiriant sydd yn neud floss candy, neu candy floss. Beth yw candy floss yn Gymraeg?
Candy floss, sa'n siŵr.
Na. Oh, dyna ti.
Yay. Hwyl fawr. Right. Oh no, my bloomin' Streamlabs yn defnyddio webcam fi nawr. Oh, god.
Yeah, so bydde i'n dweud oedd doi peth eitha cool yn y parti yma. Gyd wedi gyda, tiod, oedd hyn fel ddim gyda'r amodau presennol lockdown oedd e cyn, right? So peidiwch â galw'r heddlu Covid. Ond oedd yna peiriant creu... Be nhw'n gael nhw? Peiriant creu slush puppies. Ond... Na, beth oedd y version Americanaidd, snow cones. So, y thing snow cone, a chi jyst yn adio'r blas. Oedd y blas yn, beth oedd y bubblegum. Felly, oedd hwnna'n eitha nice. A wedyn oedd yr un arall yn, y peiriant gwneud candy floss.
Nice.
So nice, good move fi'n credu. A, wnaethon nhw... yr actual... Ti'n fel corn dogs hefyd? Oedd hwnna'n eitha cool.
Yeah.
Ti beth ti trio hwnna? Oh? Corn dogs. Maen nhw gyda fel rhyw fath o bat.
Yeah, rwy'n caru...
Mae'r bat yn melys. Yeah,
rwy'n caru corn dogs.
Yeah, really melys. Fel... Mae'n atgoffa fi o'r un bat sydd yn donuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maen nhw'n lovely. Rwy'n cofio tro cyntaf rwy'n trio un mewn America.
Oh, lovely. Ah.
Oh,
yeah.
I hate webcams, I hate Windows, I hate computers.
Come on now, come on. Just Cymraeg, beth yw e, dig, just anadlu mewn trwy'r trwyn, allan trwy'r ceg. Come on. Ni eisiau cerddoriaeth ymlaciol, lefelau dŵr, Donkey Kong Country. Dyna beth sydd angen arno ni.
Yeah. Actually, rwy'n ffeindio, rwy'n ffeindio can ymlacio ar Spotify hefyd. Spotify yn chwarae fe o enw Weedman. Mae'n really good.
Okay. Cool, na edrych am hwnna.
Yeah.
So, Meadman.
No,
fel need...
Weedman.
Weedman, right?
Yes.
Fel marijuana man.
Yes. Mae'n fel can am eich Weedman chi.
Okay.
A ti methu cael galw arno fe. You're like, ble o'i ti? Fe weed... Dyn... Beth ti mae Cymraeg? Dyn...
Mae Kira yn dweud, oedd hwnna wedi dod yn recommended ar YouTube.
Oedd e? Rwy'n ar Spotify fi. Rwy'n mewn i'r, was it Daily Mix 2 neu rhywbeth?
Okay.
Right, webcam. Ti'n mynd I llwytho tro hyn?
Go on. Well,
mae program ddim yn blymyn agor o tro hyn.
Oh dear.
Oh,
dear.
Yes, I mawr.
Yeah. Yes, I dear.
Fi'n trio cael y dau blymyn 3D modelling programs rwy'n cael ar agor. Maybe they're taking up resources.
Yeah, fi'n credu. 3D modelling, dyna... Yeah, ti wedi cael y printer allan eto I ti?
Yeah.
Wel. Ti wedi gwneud unrhyw beth diddorol ers tro diwetha?
Dim really. Dwi wedi creu fel, like, mounts. Like, Star Wars ship models yn mynd ar wal.
Nice.
Ac, rwy'n creu ceffil i'r grantio fi am y penblwydd fe.
Oh, hyfryd.
Rwy'n cael fath o marble effect, like plastic. So mae'n edrych fel marble.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Oh! Is that working? Yay!
Wyt ti gyda ni nawr? Wyt ti gyda ni? Ydy pawb nawr gyda eich popcorn neu candy floss neu lotion, Skittles, M&M's. Mae lotion eraill ar gael, ond ie, dewis yn y chat fi eisiau gwybod beth yw eich hoff melysion neu rhywbeth ti'n bwyta yn ystod gwylio ffilm yn y cinema. Dyna beth fi eisiau gwybod nawr. Cyn wrth I Owain setio popeth fyny a roi'r ffilm ymlaen.
Yeah, just angen adio chroma key. Oh, it's horrible, mae'n edrych yn disgusting, but whatever, ni'n gadael. Ni'n fyw efo fe.
Yeah, ni'n fyw efo fe.
There's the virtual green screen.
Mae pawb yn cofio beth ti'n edrych fi'n credu Owain. So just bod yn kind of dangos rhyw fath o gwyneb a nhw'n gallu gweld beth ni'n gweld a bod nhw'n gallu gweld ymateb ni. Fi'n credu bydd yn fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah!
Properties. Right, where am I? There I am. We're huge.
Pawb arall sydd yn chat.
Oh, mae virtual green screen hyn.
Oh, wow. Oh, no, funny. Fi'n gweud os fi'n gwylio horror film. Actually, fi ddim wedi checio beth yw'r...
Beth am hyn? Just pen.
Oh, brilliant. Mae Kieran di wneud green screen perffaith.
Yeah.
Oh my god, mae hwnna'n creepy. Oh my god, mae fe'n edrych fel, ti'n gwybod y mirror yn Shrek?
Yeah.
Ti yw'r cymeriad yna. Oh my god. Ti yw'r cymeriad Shrek, y drych.
Yeah.
Oh, mae hwnna'n way creepy, ti'n rhoi o flaen gwyneb fi. Funny though. Oh my god. Oh, mae'n cool though, achos mae'n really fel edrych yn dda o ran safon.
Yeah.
Yr hael o Teletubbies mae Kieran yn dweud. Brilliant.
Y blwmin hael.
Uh-oh. Tinky Pinky.
Right, rangin. Oh my god, mae'n stuck ar y mouse.
Oh, please cadw hwnna fel na.
Ti eisiau just a pen fi.
Oh, mae hwnna'n class, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, please, yeah, achos, literally, as long as ni'n gweld gwyneb ti a, fel, yeah, sut ti'n ymateb gyda'ch gwyneb, bydd hwnna'n ffain.
Yeah, mae loads o... Yeah. Mae gen i'n cowboy. Yeah!
Cowboy?
Yeah. Big chin.
Oh, cool.
Alright, na un hwnna.
Oh my god. Oh, mae hwnna'n brilliant. Wyt ti gallu cadw hwnna? Wyt ti eisiau cadw hwnna? Hwnna'n y cwestiwn. Na, the thing yw, ni methu really gweld os ti'n... beth ti'n meddwl o credu. Okay, complex.
Yeah. Oh, wait, rhangen rhannu game efo ti ar...
Yep, please. Yn fyw. Ar Discord. Ah, brilliant. Okay. Mewn I Discord. Cool. Ooh, cyffroes.
Discord fi wedi rhawi, wherever.
Ooh, mae rhaid I roi'r...
Yeah, rhangen mute ti.
Yeah. Okay.
Wyt ti'n gallu clywed y game trwy Discord?
Dwi'n gallu, yeah.
Nice. Hael o Teletubbies. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Alrighty, new game.
Alrighty then. Ooh, dyma ni. Alright.
Paul Rashid. Kinder, Southeast Asia.
Beth mae'r... Ydy'r settings lan i'r max o ti'n gallu rannu gyda fi?
Yeah.
Mae'n ffain. O, mae'n ffain, mae'n ffain. Fi ddim yn gallu darllen e, so falle bydd rhaid I ti... Fi gallu gwrando arno fe, so hwnna.
Kensington's research project? Nice work, Dr. Wakefield.
So another drone?
Yeah, they dropped nerve agent on their apartment block. A woman was coming home from the shops. The boy was playing with a soccer ball.
Yeah.
What, you mean a football?
Banter.
Hi. I'm Amy. You're...
Hello.
Pleasure to meet you, Talo.
Ciwn wedi got the
Are you
knife red and
on
black films
hurt
yn
me?
gwneud y ffilm The Machine hefyd. Dim
What?
clem.
Dim
Oh!
clem.
Light-hearted or serious?
Light-hearted.
I'm team doctor. You got injured, but I'll have you back playing football very soon. Okay? Reese, I need you to administer atropine.
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to restock the vials.
Supply tent now!
Da iawn.
Mae wedi bod yn neud, eh?
It's okay. Tell him, it's okay. Atropine injections worked on everyone I treated in Syria. Okay?
Oh, God.
You're alright. You're alright. What's your name?
Dima, we're not safe here. The Supreme Leader ordered this attack.
We're here to help you.
He's trying to kill us. Both of us will stand against him. Oh, tell me, will this chemical ruin my life?
Positive neu realistic?
Realistic.
Yeah.
We're treating you early, so you've got a great chance of survival.
Oh great, hwn o
I
beth rhaid.
listen to liars every day. You are not a good one.
Please breathe. Look at me. Breathe. Look at me.
I need to save my baby.
Oh no, mae'n beichiog.
Ningin, uh-oh.
Oh.
The supply tent's been depleted.
Oh
only
na,
one vial left.
pwy ni mynd I safio? Y dyn neu y merch?
What are you gonna do?
Come on, ni angen dewis like real quick.
Make a
Harry.
decision.
Sef demon neu talo?
Y merch, achos y
Merch.
babi i fe.
Oh! Oh no! What if she's lying?
Oh yeah, go on
Dima,
in,
give me
talo.
your eye.
Beth
Too
bynnag.
late. Too late. Rip talo.
Dima, please. You have to trust me. Okay? This will save you and your baby.
You are with the Supreme Leader. You want to kill my baby?
Oh. Da iawn, Dima.
Ti ddim yn teimlo'n
Lladd
gweld
if-
os mae'n marw.
How do I save them?
Question yw, pam?
Reese?
He's gone. Dip. He's gone. He's like, nah.
Yeah.
Mae gen I teimlo bod y green screen fi ddim yn really in keeping efo'r theme o'r game.
Os ni'n gwylio comedy, bod ni bendant yn... Yeah. Fi just methu cael strec mas o pen fi, a fi'n gweld e.
I'm Dr. Amy Tennant, and I'm here on behalf of the
gwyd
visionary
i'r
Natalie
drych yna.
Kensington to inform you how your investments have made that possible. Firstly, we've been using your billions for the greater good. The Kensington Corporation's relationship with Kindar has flourished since the resolution of its civil war. Our teams have been working on development projects with some of the country's top
A ma'n well.
scientists. Natalie has even developed an internship program for some of the country's brightest young minds. In fact, some of our Kindarian interns are here with us today.
Oh, wee. Is Kindar still a totalitarian state? Human rights violations and all that shit?
Engaged or dismiss? Engage.
Kindar
Yes.
is at peace, but your concern is understandable. May I continue my presentation?
I'm just saying, it's bad PR for us to associate with Kensington if she's dealing with a dictator.
Well, as you've seen, that's simply not the case.
Why is there so much research happening out there? It's a fucking waste of our money and resources.
Kindar is a former British colony, and we're all here trying to help it recover. Seems like good philanthropic PR to me.
And it's a tax haven.
Oi, oi, tax haven.
Go on.
Yeah.
He's like, oh. He's like, alright.
Yeah.
Who said dictator?
O'n nhw yn y tube? Hwna yn Llundain, bendant. Yeah. London Underground. Na i ddim cario ymlaen canu y car yma. Mae ddim yn carw gyda teimlad y ffilm.
Now, the real
God,
reason we're
mae hi'n-
here.
Oh dear.
The Kensington Complex. Our impenetrable HQ of laboratories built bespoke to Natalie's specifications by the world-renowned Parker Kaplani. Deep within the complex is Security Lab Alpha, a womb of scientific advancement. There, we have something remarkable in development.
So mae clipio fi'n
I'm
mynd i
sure
newid
all of your
fy
news feeds have
audio
told you that
settings i
Gordon Grosvenor's
webcam yn neud
expedition to Mars is becoming a reality. Yes, the first person to set foot on Mars will be British if we can hurdle this final obstacle together.
Dyna ni.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, rough night. Don't do drugs, Kay.
Right.
You can't fit a hospital on a 10-ton Mars
kids.
lander. How do we get around this? Nanocells. Stem cells interwoven with nanotech. Once inside a host, they migrate to the site of injury. There, they regrow bone and generate extra blood to help catalyze the healing process. Tiny magic bullets.
What's your problem?
Oh god.
Oh,
Mae tynnu llun o hi. Oh.
This
Oh,
is,
yeah.
of course, just a mock-up. The real nanocells are still in development and securely back at the complex.
Oh,
But
no, securely.
once they're ready,
Mewn y ferch yna.
we can begin regulated human trials.
bet.
Having treated victims of chemical attacks all over the world, I know that nanocells could be miracle tech.
Oh, mae'n gwedi trwysa, guys. Oh. Po'n rhaid gwaith allan.
Woo, nanocells.
Oh dear. Oh, mae hi'n dechrau gyda chwith nawr. Jeez.
It's like, oh, ni cael problem.
Yeah. Do you love any?
Hang on. I have some serious concerns about this.
Likewise. Before my employer invests any more capital, she wants some answers.
Amy, I
Few
really
more
can't
questions,
wait.
or let's go?
We need to get you to the
Let's
car
go.
now. It's an emergency.
I have to go, but please stay and enjoy the wonderful hospitality. Let's go, Emily.
We need to get you on the scene immediately.
The scene. What happened?
Cos mae'r amser yn bryn yn dyw e, yeah?
It's already gone viral.
Yeah.
I'm ruling
Oh.
out food poisoning.
She has other
Food
alarming
poisoning.
symptoms, we've been told. Naturally, everyone's crying terrorism.
A suicide bomber with a malfunctioning bioweapon.
We need to get her to the complex.
Okay, why is this our problem?
Because she's one of our interns.
Oh.
Thank God you're here. This is beyond our remit.
Ti'n beth, achos nes i fyw 6 mlynedd yn
Excellent work,
Llundain.
York.
Does
I'll
dim
examine her
ots
back
beth
at the
yw'r
complex.
genre
We were waiting on your
digwydd
word
sy'n-
before moving her.
Dal dy fi teimladau really
Grand.
nice tuag
The
at.
drone will get her there fast.
Yeah.
But it's more dangerous.
Okay,
If it
calm
crashes
down.
then, whatever's
Maen nhw
inside of
ma.
it gets out into the public.
It won't crash, it's Kensington tech. Use the drone, Amy.
O'n i roi hi mewn y drone, neu ambulance?
A roi yn y drone, please. Mae rhaid i fi gweld rhywun yn y drone.
Yeah.
Drone, don't fuck it up.
Rwy'n fynd dweud, os mae'r drone yn crasho, bydd y chemical yn cael ei released.
So, what else do we know about her?
It won't crash, it's
Nothing yet.
Kensington.
Let's get back to the complex.
Os ti byth yn hedfan drone, dyna pam. Mae'n wych.
Yeah. Go on, mae'n mynd i crasho, a ni'n mynd i, like, release o chemical dros Prydain. Yeah.
Ti'n beth, mae'r thema yma bach close to the bone fi'n credu ar hyn o bryd. Ti'n gwybod y syniad o rhywbeth sy'n gallu fel lledaenu a effeithio ar... fi ddim yn gwybod beth sy'n mynd i ddigwydd eto, achos fi literally, dyma'r tro cyntaf i fi a Owain yn chwarae'r gêm yma, ond mae'n really weird ydy. Mae lot o pethau ti'n ail-gwylio nawr gyda teimlad hollol wahanol achos beth sydd yn digwydd ar hyn o bryd. Fi wedi ysgoi gwylio Black Mirror eto yn bendant.
Losing a friend in a strange country. I can empathise with that. Today we need all your field experience, Amy.
Time to roll back the years.
You can say that again.
You've got to be kidding me.
Nah.
It's been a while, Dr. Whitfield. You got here fast.
Well, there weren't any good vomiting ladies on my tube line.
Yeah, and I think just ready to vote.
Let's walk and talk.
So, which legend fed the media that anthrax rumour?
I need to take this.
Was it her? So, do we have a name yet?
Claire Mahek, she's one of us.
Inside job?
Now, she must be acting alone. Why else would she take the tube?
Well, Uber doesn't offer a getaway car service yet, so...
Fi'n mynd I definitely roi CV fi o
Look, have we
blaen.
considered the hysteria might actually be valid?
Dau rhywbryd I trio cael rôl yn un o'r ffilms yma.
Definitely.
Bendam, our
promise.
bucket list.
I didn't know you still worked here. If I did, I would...
Stayed away? Yeah, I'm sure.
Look.
Why are you skydiving? Or bungee jumping? Or whatever it is that you were up to?
Because I'm passing through London. I checked my Twitter feed this morning, saw something I could help with. Plus, Kensington wants my expertise.
Well, she already has my expertise.
I'm not disputing that, nor am I apologising for the skydiving. Guy's got to live.
Yeah.
Sa'n just o fe o gwbl. Like, they're ready I ffwrdd.
Passing through.
Yeah, y tro diwetha. A nawr mae rhywbeth diddorol yn digwydd. Mae just yn pasio heibio. Yeah, whatever.
Decisions. Okay, thank you.
You didn't want to run this by me?
2 lifesavers are better than 1.
Reese Wakefield is a deserter.
I know he's let us down in the past, but people change. Emily did due diligence too. Come on.
Hey, guys, can I just have 5 minutes? Just need to use the gents.
Dodge.
Follow Reese. Follow Natalie or Amy's office.
Can we go, please?
Follow Reese.
Nat, I'm gonna use the toilet as well.
There are toilets down there. Amy!
Amy.
I don't believe this.
Amy.
I don't believe this.
Come on.
If ti yn mynd I gwneud yn y tŷ bach.
Wel, un neu dau. Now.
Gender fluid toilets. New policy.
Gender fluid toilets. Come on. Come on. Really? Mae jyst yn cuddio fanna. Ife trap.
O, rwy'n aros I hi. Mynd I ffwrdd.
Yeah, ond...
Fallai.
Mae dal gyda'i choices ymlaen.
Yeah.
From your assistants down in security.
Mae oedd hwnna'n golygfa really odd.
You should see the other guy.
Security Lab Alpha.
Nat, is this my tech?
Yes.
How? I mean, nothing leaves or enters the lab without us knowing about it.
Emily and I will get to the bottom of that. You just get the nanocells, otherwise our life's work's gone.
All of the nanocells are inside of her?
It was the master batch. No duplicates were made. Good luck.
Pam yn y byd oedd hi'n cael holl nanocells ti dden I hi?
Yeah.
Making sure you're doing now.
Oh my god, you guys are serious about your fashion.
Yeah, no more frumpy hazmat suits.
Pressure suits?
You'll see.
Alright.
Changing cubicle and they change Everest.
Everest, go on.
Breathing Callum, sorry, Dewis.
Everest.
Better changing facilities than in the Congo, eh?
Yeah. And Kindar.
And Kindar.
Kindar Bueno.
Sneak a peek. Yes! Oh no, Rivet Gweld!
Got in a packet.
Rivet Gweld, oh no.
We're going into space.
Vacuum conditions active.
Something like that.
Echo!
This vacuum acts as the last line of defense to prevent microbes from escaping the lab. The lack of air makes it sterile as hell.
Well, that's great on a microscopic level, but it could do with some physical barriers. How long have you worked here again?
Engage or ignore? Engage.
4 years last Wednesday. Yeah, it's been that long.
Just thinking about some of the stuff we saw.
I saw a whole other year's worth after you left.
You know, it wasn't just skydiving. I needed a reset. Try new things.
Learn anything that could help us today?
Hope not.
So the meditation's new.
So's the spying.
Touche.
Vacuum conditions inactive.
Ie, mae penderfyniadau ni wedi wneud hyd yma yw gael hi dilyn hi, gael hi dilyn e mewn i'r tŷ bach, wedyn pan mae fe newid I cael
Thomas Malkin, Dr. Everly North. This is Dr. Reese Wakefield. He'll be assisting us today.
Cool pony stuff.
Nothing bad, yeah.
Let me take you to her.
Feels like we're at the
Ti wastad
centre of
eisiau gweld
dolls that
beth
go inside
yw'r
each other.
mateb fwy o ddiddorol I greu fwy o drama fi'n credu yn naturiol.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
So what's your story then, Malkin?
I've wanted to assist Dr. Tennant since I saw a talk at the Plains Summit about the extracellular matrix and lattice in stem cells.
Oh.
Mae'n mor odd, oedd just...
Holy shit. It's attacking the bone structure.
We've never seen anything like it.
I have a sample of her blood under the microscope.
Ti di gweld Garth Marenghi's Dark Place?
Garth Marenghi?
Yeah.
Guys, this is my tech. The nanocells are inside her.
Oh, mae yna bits yn hwn sydd yn atgoffa fi
But
tipyn
they're
bach o fe.
unfinished. There's no off switch, so
Yeah,
they're
roll
just coursing through her
disgrowled
body,
there,
producing excess bone and blood.
But how could she have contracted them?
From a spillage, maybe.
They barely survive for 2 minutes once they're exposed to air, and she didn't have the authorization to access them. Someone's put them in her.
Oh.
No. Leave it in, Claire. You need it.
Feels fucking weird.
You a terrorist?
Oh, come
I'd be
on.
a terrible one if I was. I did this for Mina. What's Mina?
Terrorist organisation.
Will you stop that, please?
Look, how many times have we seen a lone wolf release pathogens into the air?
Nanocells aren't airborne. They can only be transferred via blood-to-blood contact. Answer call.
Bioterrorism suspect named as Claire Mahek, a Kendarian intern at Kensington.
TV off. Tell me you can retrieve her nanocells.
Not directly. We'd need to extract a large blood sample to keep them active. From there, I'll use that as a roadmap to recreate the master batch.
Seems simple enough. She has plenty of blood to spare.
Not exactly. Her new bone matter is consuming her body's resources at an accelerated rate. If I remove that much blood in one go, she'll die.
And if she dies before you extract her blood?
Without a living host, the nanocells will just dissipate.
Au revoir, nanocells.
So either way she dies. Okay. Amy, we're gonna have to go for the option where we retain our asset.
Natalie, I can't just...
I'll get back to you. End call.
What should we do, Doctor?
Set up for a full blood diagnostic. There has to be a way to get the nanocells out of her safely. Dr. Wakefield, please replace her IV. I can't risk any outside contamination.
Sure thing. Dr. Tennant. Need to replace this, okay? Don't bite me.
Oh my gosh, dwi ddim gyda rabies. Fel dwi ddim yn anifail, tiwod?
Shit, sorry.
Mae fe bach o glwm.
Mae'n dwyn. Dwyn y gwaed.
Oh yeah.
Don't go anywhere.
Oh, naeth yn neud hwnna ar bwrpas.
Yeah.
O'n i'n gwybod taw... Yeah, bad egg yw e. Na, sa'n hoffi fe o gwbl.
Who delivered this crate?
Oh, it was here when we arrived this morning.
Well, it's in the way. It needs to be moved.
Amelia.
Pwy ni cael... Rhys, you move it.
Na, mae fe'n mynd i roi hwnna yn y gwaed.
Dr. Wakefield?
Mae hwnna probably
Can you move
i
this crate,
Rhys
please?
roi'r gwaed mewn a roi e i pobl drwg. Dyna yw.
Fucking assistant. Yeah, I'm okay.
Mae Davidio yn dweud beth ydi hyn amdano. Mae'n question really dda.
Cheers, fella.
Mae rhyw technoleg.
Wel, fe jyst wedi cael fe i symud e.
Oh, right, okay. Mae jyst wedi pasio fe ymlaen y gwaith.
Dr. North! Dr. North!
Beth?
I'm sorry, my shoulder's playing up. Do you mind?
O, mae fe'n dodge hefyd. Mae'r ddoi yn nhw. Come on. Set up.
Dr. North?
It's not personal.
On! Ruin the crap! Oh! Twice! Oh! Oh!
Rwy'n ni'n cael ein anghywir, Morgan.
Iawn ni yn.
I'm good. Check on Dr. North.
Ond mae fe'n ffwl dy chweth.
Pwy? Dr North neu Rhys? Pwy ni'n mynd i edrych arno?
Rhys.
Dr. North?
O na, sorry.
Rwy fi'n redig allan o'r amser.
O good. O fi ddim eisiau gwella Rhys.
Rwy'n meddwl mae'n okay though.
We're gonna save you, okay?
Ish, I think, maybe.
Na.
The video, mae hyn yn FMV game.
Yeah.
Ti angen, like, dewis beth i gwneud, like, choose your own adventure.
Yeah, mae rhywbeth nanotechnology wedi mynd mewn i gwaed y pobl, ond ni ddim
I knew there
quite
was
yn
something
siŵr
off about
pwy i
Malkin.
ymddiried.
What kind of a scientist has a fucking ponytail?
Ah! A ponytail!
Classic. Classic bad guy, fe. Ponytail.
You're fine.
Yeah.
Is Claire alright?
O'n i ddim yn hoffi ffordd oedd e'n siarad cyn.
in this room.
Good enough for me.
Why are we in lockdown mode?
It's detecting the poison from the acid bomb. It won't be in the air for much longer.
Thanks for that.
Call Natalie Kensington. Emily, where's Natalie? There's been an incident in the lab.
Yeah, I can see that, and the biosecurity's kicked in.
I need Natalie on the line right now. I don't care who she's with.
Yeah, okay, she's in her office. I'll call you right back. End call.
Okay. First things first, let's get this cleaned up. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Sa'n trystio'r...
Don't go anywhere.
So ydy'r boi ponytail di marw nawr?
Wel, ni di basio fe ar y ochr y peth.
Mistake,
yeah. Ond fi ddim yn gwybod tan bod i ddim yn anafu bellach. Fi'n credu bach yn risky. Gadle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Slap or tell joke?
Oh, this is gonna stink.
Slap!
Slap. Slap o fe.
Ah! The fuck? Ah! Oh!
Nice.
Oh!
Cold.
Oh!
Cold.
Yeah. Yes. Nath e redig I ffwrdd, so...
Yeah.
Diolch.
I have to clean this wound.
No, it'll be fine. We've got bigger fish to fry.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, what was that?
Search for disinfectant, rinse through water, investigate noise.
Dŵr?
Wait here. I'm gonna go see if there's something in the intensive lab.
I remember it being really
Look, we need
slow
to figure out
out.
what the fuck is going on.
Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Go to Claire neu Reese.
Claire.
Amy?
Just a sec, Reese. Thought you'd gone quiet over here.
Your nanocells don't like my chat either.
Well, I did mold them in my image.
That makes sense. Bunch of mini-controlling bitches inside me.
Compassionate neu callous.
Look, I'm gonna do everything I can to help you. I've dealt with worse odds before.
Really?
Really. You need to comply, though. Whatever it is that's going on, if you know anything, please tell me.
Maybe.
I can work with maybe. Hold strong.
It's just like Yemen.
Don't remind me.
Plumbing?
No. That came from the void.
The void.
Gyda'r vacuum mewn. Oh. Oh.
Uh-oh. Beth oedd hwnna?
What the hell is that?
It must be coming from beyond the walls.
Is there any security cameras we can check?
On the computer, but I don't know how. My assistants did that.
Would you mind? Thank you.
Smash random things. Like.
Right, got it.
Oh yeah, security, don't he?
Shit on the RE. The cavalry?
In masks?
What's the rumbling, though? Sound doesn't travel in a vacuum.
Shit, they've deactivated the vacuum.
Uh-oh.
No prizes for guessing who the brains of this operation is.
God bless those security walls, eh?
No Mediago now, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
This is impossible. They would need unprecedented access to our security systems to be doing this.
But just at a Windows desktop or a laptop, innit?
Yeah.
They're her damn cavalry. But they're Kandarian too. I knew you were part of something bigger.
Lump us all together because they have the same features. Big eyes and big lips too. The divisions in my country are complex. Those bunch are not from my team.
And now they're fucking with us. Answer call!
Amy, what's going on down there?
You've been infiltrated, Kensington. Dr. Malcolm was a plant. Thanks to him, Dr. North is dead, and so are my dreams of becoming a professional footballer.
But you killed Malcolm.
Yeah, as you know.
Emily checked security footage from the lab.
I mean, does privacy even exist around here?
There are 3 masked intruders in the void, and they're armed.
They've deactivated the vacuum and bypassed the security wall.
I'm still alive. Make sure she knows that.
Biosecurity is still enabled, so you are safe no matter what.
Well, unless they open the door with that magic laptop.
I'll get onto this intruder situation.
Oh, well, not that I'm not grateful, but why is lockdown mode still active? The poison from the acid bomb has dissipated and the bioprotector is containing Claire's infection.
It must be detecting something else. The safety of London is paramount. We can't risk a bug getting into the city. Amy, you need to extract Claire's blood, especially if the intruders have come for her. The nanocells cannot fall into the wrong hands.
Well, there's an easy way to prevent that. We smoke Claire.
No!
End call. Wow. Still can't keep your cool under pressure.
She's responsible for this.
That makes no sense. We're her only hope at retrieving the nanocells.
Yeah, she's going to let us extract the nanocells and then kill us by gunfire.
Wow. Bleak much?
All right, look, Parker Kaplani designed this lab, right? Do you think he built an escape route, a back door, anything?
I don't know. We'd have to ask him ourselves.
Yoo-hoo.
What now, Claire?
Can you move the dead people?
Now that she mentions it.
Yeah.
Okay. How about this one?
Enough with the Natalie theories.
Remember those new skills I was telling you about? Well, advanced computing is one of them. Programming, coding.
Hacking?
I prefer the term unsolicited browsing. Yeah, no, sorry. Hacking is better. Look, I know you two are besties, but I find Natalie a bit... meh. Let's access her camera. Give her a little listen.
This is how scientists get killed, you know. Where did you learn to do this?
If I told you, I'd have to kill you. Ready?
Wait, you shouldn't...
Look, if she's got nothing to hide, what's the issue? We're in this together. We need to cooperate if we're going to survive.
It's the ready first.
Go on, hack in, Reese. Do it. Hack in.
The 3 intruders in the void have managed to lock every lift and door giving us access down there.
Whatever they've done has caused electrical blips throughout the entire building. There are questions.
Have the security idiots announce an upgrade gone awry? No one can think this Claire situation's any more serious than it already is.
This seems planned, Natalie. There must be more traitors in our midst.
Emily, please. 2 people are trapped in that lab with our prized asset. They are our priority. Announce the security upgrade.
Better clear the airways in case she calls.
Who could the traitors be working for?
Let's ask the original.
So he'll find her.
Claire,
Amy,
what do you and your friends want?
I'm not an espionage mastermind. They aren't with me.
So how did all the nanocells end up inside you?
Is it not totally obvious?
You should listen to Professor Xavier over there.
About what?
Kensington.
So she put them in you?
No. Not me.
Give her morphine and let her suffer.
Morphine. Fi'n credu taw Rhys yw... Maen nhw wedi rhoi e mewn Rhys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Beth, I fod y collell?
Yeah, fi ddim yn gwybod, fi ddim yn siŵr, ond fi just...
Ie, falle.
Oedd hi dweud ask Dr Xavier fanna hefyd.
How long have you been at the complex?
A year. We've always had passing conversations on higher floors, but I don't think you remember. I always wanted to work in this lab with you.
Well, here we are. Claire, come on. Just tell me what's happening so that I can help you.
I got them all. Mina.
Who's Mina? Claire.
She's about as useful as a chocolate teapot.
Mina oedd y merch yn y dechrau, oedd hi?
Oedd hi?
Ready for more cryptic bullshit?
Yeah.
Answer call.
Guys, you were right about the intruders. They've sabotaged the system and have electronically barricaded themselves in the void.
Yeah. Tell us something we don't know, please.
How are they bypassing your security system so easily?
Kensington Corporation stock plummets amidst
TV
links to...
off. Rescue plans are being made.
Well, have you contacted Parker Kaplani? He designed the lab. He'll know how to get us out of here.
We've been trying, but he could be anywhere on the planet right now.
Parker has no compunctions about who he builds labs for, as long as he pays quote. Excuse me.
Stop. Oh.
Emily, wait. Please. Give us something. Help us.
Dr. Malkin, the 3 intruders in the void, Claire, they all infiltrated the complex expertly.
Another country in the space race, or?
Possibly. Well, they might be trying to steal the nanocells, or destroy them.
Are he
I'm going to move heaven and earth to try and get hold of Parker.
Thank you, Emily.
Or Ruba? Film.
Like, yeah, film neu TV rather.
Whatever they're doing up there, we need to come up with some ideas of our own.
Familiar.
Na, fod i
Like,
under...
ar CBBC neu rhywbeth, like o'r plentyndod fi.
I can hack the communication lines, get in touch with Parker Kaplani myself.
Okay, awesome. You do that. I'm gonna look for a way out of here. Are you okay?
I think the air's getting stale down here.
No, that's impossible. Even in lockdown mode, there's always a steady supply of oxygen.
Beth sydd wedi cael ei roi mewn yr oxygen?
Yn union, neu beth sydd wedi cael ei stopio, falle'r cyflenwyr oxygen.
Welcome back, Sleeping Beauty. I need something to get me past that vent cover.
Crude! Oh nah. My microscope on I'd probably extremely expensive.
Always wished I was taller.
Hey mate, do you need a hand? See, even with one leg, Wakefield is still the MVP.
O, ydy hi'n mynd
Most
i roi
vanishing person?
thing rhwng ei coesau?
Sorry, that's harsh.
No,
na.
I'm some wit, I'm proud.
Ar coesau.
Mynd i sefyll ar y blymyn cut. No, just
Oh, be careful.
smash it.
Oh, come on.
So that's good. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Can you put this back?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Got it?
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. You going in or not?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, up to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh, 50 hwnna.
Annoying, eh?
Reese, the vent continues behind the oxygen tank.
Can you squeeze past it?
Only one way to find out.
Oh, I didn't know. Proceed with caution or go for it.
Go for it.
Oh, hwnna yn yr oxygen tank, yna.
Oh! Fucking lasers.
Wait.
Great, really breathe of Buster. Ah.
Oh, it's quite cute, matching wounds. I mean, mine's slightly more impressive.
Mine put both of yours to shame.
I hate her.
What's his deal?
There's only one wall left between them and the lab door.
Uh-oh.
Please tell me you got hold of Parker.
Negative. I got hold of the CCTV footage from the past 24 hours.
Okay. Sift through it, see if there's anything helpful.
Roger that. Fucking sneaky bastard.
Wait. Claire got access to the lab?
Is that your master batch?
How did she get that level of clearance on her ID card?
Wait, what were you injected yourself? Why didn't the lab shut down?
The nanocells need time to diffuse in the bloodstream.
I was able to get out of the complex before feeling the effects.
What the fuck is she doing in the storeroom?
Beth mae'n chwilio am?
I destroyed all the duplicate nanocells too.
Oh.
What? I didn't authorize any duplicates to be made.
So you were just stealing the master batch for employers to replicate? Who? Who was it? Was it the Russians?
No, I was heading to MI6.
MI6?
Oh, fucking impeccable timing as always.
MI6? Why were you taking them there, Claire?
Answer, go!
Parker.
We got a hold of Parker.
Half true. I was already en route. I get alerted every time shit hits the fan in one of my labs.
We also have the identities of the 3 intruders. Sending them through.
Oh.
Oh, a trio of an
They're
aros.
from last year's batch of Kindarian interns.
Yeah.
Sleepers, like Malkin.
Yeah. Guys. There's one security wall between them and us. What have you got?
What are our best options, Parker?
I need 10 more minutes to study these blueprints. That lab was built to contain world-altering alchemy. So excuse me if backdoors weren't part of my thinking.
Amy.
End call.
Reese.
What? Do you want to listen to a fucking bullshit about nanocells again? We've got 10 minutes to think without all that shit.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, only on a USB.
Yeah.
Look, I didn't want to hand this over. It's not meant for you, but fuck it. You need to see the truth about Kensington and Kinder.
What is it?
Just watch.
Careful, Amy.
Always.
Careful, Amy. Come on.
Wait. This is really lame. Could you hold my hand?
O na, paid. Mae'n trap. Paid neud e. Paid. Paid. Fi'n gwybod beth sydd yn mynd I ddigwydd, ond just paid neud e.
I'm just really scared. Go on.
Yn gwastraff fi amser.
Watch.
No, fi just yn oeraidd.
What? Ti ddim angen plug o'r USB
files.
man? Amazing.
Kensington and picnic.
Fi ddim mor...
Ah, wyt parin, Kensington and picnic.
Kensington. Dyma'r amser am picnic.
If this gets out, we'll be answering to the UN.
Kensington, Ma. What's the problem? We quashed uprising villages, and you got human trials to assess your technology.
Oh. Uh-oh.
To burn one stone.
3 whole villages.
Your scientists need not know how the data was acquired. The Supreme Leader is a man of discretion. We trust you are the same.
Most certainly.
Make sure of it, or we will.
Oh.
I think my mind's thinking the same thing as yours, so do you really want to watch the other video?
Play it. Please.
You sure?
Look, look! You've forgotten the wine but remembered your phone. Typical.
Mina's mad at me these days.
Well, I'm sorry I forgot the wine, okay? Yeah. Raw onion bhajis, egg mayo, tomatoes.
Claire takes too many selfies in London.
Not that much.
Look, I'm showing the surroundings. Look how pretty this grass is. Come on, let's take a picture. Look at the camera. Smile.
Nhw gyd wedi marw. Entire teulu hi. Oedd nhw cael ei defnyddio yn un o'r human trials te yn y village.
Yeah.
Oh na.
Oh god. So dyna yw'r gwir. So Kensington yw'r pobl drwg.
You see, the Kandarian government in Italy, Kensington, experimented with your nanocells on my people.
Oh god.
My village.
Yeah, mae hwnna'n creepy, Davidio.
My sister Mina.
Oh, Mina.
They're all killed for opposing the dictatorship.
Natalie was making duplicates of the master badge behind my back. My tech killed people.
And you were taking all the evidence to MI6? In that USB and in your veins?
Now the Supreme Leader has activated a sleeper cell in the complex to cover his tracks.
Yeah, not to mention Natalie's.
Uh-oh.
Why didn't you tell us this before?
I didn't trust you.
Answer or reject?
Reject call.
Oh.
Amy, we need to take a minute and think about this, okay?
I'm fine, I promise.
Hey, look. I know a rash decision when I see one.
You're not going to expose Natalie after what you've just seen.
We need to deal with our current predicament. Plus, I really need the toilet again.
Oh, nah. Dim ti bach eto.
Do you believe this isn't the weirdest place I've taken a shit?
Do you need me to stay and help you?
No, you're fine, you're spared.
Fi'n credu fe yw'r llygodyn mawr fan hyn.
Hey, if we get out of here, will you quit like you said?
Pass.
Fe yw'r douchebag.
I never thought I'd have to answer
Ie, fi jyst ddim
that
yn cael
question.
teimlad dda amdano fe.
Oh, you do the right thing, you always do.
A habit I wish I had.
Well, it might have rubbed off on you if you'd stuck around.
Oh yeah. Beth mos mae'n sleeper agent efo'r
Why'd you leave, Reese?
Ie, fi'n credu ma fe. Achos ma fe jyst yn person sy'n redig I ffwrdd a cuddio.
Saving someone was the right thing to do if it condemned them to a life of pain.
Mae esports Reese yn hoffi'r y scriptio fan hyn. That's not the weirdest place I've taken a shit. Whoa.
Coward isn't the man for you anyway.
That wasn't your call to me.
Hanner film.
We were a team.
Basically, mae rhyw fath o nanotechnology experimentation wedi digwydd ar
Heard of Mr. Cracking
Pentref
Fortnite in Eritrea.
Where can I
a
sign
maen
up for
nhw
this
yn lleoliad dyle fod yn saff.
Find out
Ond
more.
ddim.
Enough with the wisecracks, Claire.
Yeah.
I'm not in the
Ond mae
mood.
dy fi'n credu mae'r boi yna'n bach yn dodgy.
You lost people that you love. My
Or
feelings
ma
are
fe'n
trivial compared to yours.
The sense of betrayal.
A mae
Well, gives a
hi
break.
just yna achos mae holl teulu hi wedi marw achos nhw wedi cael ei arbrofi gan
Come true, getting
y
an internship here.
cwmni technoleg yma.
Village girl from Kindar, coming to
Dyna ni.
London, to work, to live, to love. Funny story. On my first day here, I was super late because I thought there was a station in the complex. Turns out I was looking at the tourist tube map with disused and unfinished stations.
Yeah, that's right. They
Yeah.
half-built a station under the complex.
Tabitha Greens.
We're so far underground, we must be right on top of it.
Gyda fideo dwi os fe yn sleep agent, neb fan hyn ar ochr hi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might be
Dyna
right,
pam.
Claire. Thank you.
Anytime.
Mae penderfyniadau mor
We
bwysig.
can't go across the void. We tried going up into the vents, but we haven't tried going down. To Tabitha Greens.
You need an access point.
We might have one. Reese is sitting on it.
Wait a minute, Laura T. Bach, boys.
Oh, man.
Quick,
What do
Reese.
you have to know?
Flush.
I need something that will remove the entire toilet quickly.
Oh, TNT.
Yeah.
Chemistry or force? Chemistry. Big boom.
Bob tro. Come on, nerds.
Get your hands dirty.
Professor Frink ni angen o'r Simpsons. On the flying, sneaking. defnyddio'r microscope eto.
Basho ti
At the
bach.
lowest point of the complex, so Tabitha Green's must be right below us.
Yeah, okay, Amy, but there's a toilet in the way.
Not for
A
long.
ti defnyddio vent bash... sorry, a microscope i basho
My
vent.
favorite
ar
ever
y we.
chemistry lesson was when the
Back
teacher put a
off
small piece of potassium in water.
Nath i gweithio, though?
Yeah, like, when you just didn't have your
Always wanted
trash
to see what a
screens.
full block would do.
Ie, o'r holl pethau.
Redig!
Be mae'n disgwyl
you are
digwydd bod e
positively
rhyw fath o
insane.
thing fel mewn parc thema dŵr a bod nhw jyst yn neidio fel lawr a fel y Goonies neu rhywbeth.
So now the big question, how far below us is Tabitha Green's?
Oh my god! What? Eddie?
Taf i lawr gyntaf fi'n credu, dyna yw'r thing. Flusho popeth mas.
Drop something big, drop something small, drop Amy!
Drop him, yeah, drop him, please.
Ah, rhaid fi'n riara fe eto.
Oh, come on, Owain, why? Oh.
Hey Reese, can you help me with something?
Taflu fe mewn.
Na ni'n taflu un o'r corff.
Does it?
Brilliant.
Should have used his ponytail, he'd be at the bottom by now. Oh, whoa!
Oh, my god, dead!
Eh?
He's not dead.
Taflu rhywun arall nawr.
Achievement unlocked. Falling
Nice, it's
for you.
fine.
I'd say he's fine. Oh no. Ini llaf y dyn.
Oh, so mae pobl drwg
They're going to shoot their way in.
thing I
Their
ffwrdd,
bullets
un
won't dent
fel
these doors.
gwagle I ffwrdd.
They were built to withstand much more than that. The Void's last resort defense mechanism is the kicker. When it detects a rogue pathogen, it generates a white heat flash to eliminate the threat.
O, dyw e ddim yn iawn, dyw e.
Infect. Rydyn
Fi'n credu mae fe wedi...
It's already hardwired into the system, we are fucking fucked.
Oh, rydyn cael y gwaed ar ei llaw fe. So pryd
Yeah.
mae
Yeah.
cael ei stabbed.
Guys,
Yeah.
the intruders are almost in, and we know why they're here.
Parker, what options have we got?
Enough! While Parker was accessing the lab security mainframe for bypasses, we saw records of who gained entry in the last 24 hours.
Claire entered using someone else's ID credentials.
Yours, Amy.
That's impossible. I've got my ID card right here.
Amy didn't help me. I snuck into her office and I copied her credentials off a computer. You're the liar, Natalie.
You don't have a voice here, Claire.
Look, we know about Kindar.
Reese.
We have proof. Lots.
Nonsense.
Look, the intruders are Natalie and Kindar's way of making sure that we die with their dirty little secret. We know that you hack your own security, Natalie.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, your cybersecurity sucks. Even Reese hacked it easily.
Reese has been hacking the system.
He isn't an employee here, is he? What's your story, buddy?
He spent the last few years bouncing between pharma companies around the world. A mercenary. Whose side are you on, Wakefield?
Continue accusations, refocus.
You know what? Fuck this.
Everyone, calm down. All I know is that if they get in, the nanocells are gone forever. Natalie, please.
Look, we aren't traitors. Help us. Stall them. Do something.
Amelia, regardless of what we think of each other right now, you're one of my closest friends. Parker?
So we're trusting these guys now?
Yes, we are.
Can the Void jam electronics?
Negative.
Could you reinitialize the vacuum? Two of them aren't wearing helmets.
I can't. They locked us out.
Reese could. His computer down there is hardwired into the system.
All right.
Okay, talk me through it as fast as you can.
Come. Dyna, gyflew.
Go to Noel, go to Claire.
Beth? Claire?
Oh, too late.
Oh. Classic.
What's going on, Claire?
Oh, you didn't even
Something wrong. My heart.
Nes i taflu hi lawr y siw.
I trust you.
O le bydd y pobl drwg ddim yn gallu cael ei wedyn.
Yeah.
Oh god, o'r gwaed yna.
Yeah. Crio gwaed.
Ie, oedd wedi digwydd o'r blaen hefyd. Di jyst sychu gwaed. Different. Come on, actor.
Did Parker tell you how to turn the vacuum back on?
He did.
Come on. Y pen nhw'n mynd i dod off, ydyn nhw?
Not so smug now, are ya?
We're not out of the woods yet. All right, they're still unlocking the door. 1 down, 2 to go.
Come on.
Pwynt yw, os mae'r bac ymlaen, a maen nhw yn agor y drws, maen nhw'n mynd i bod mewn trouble yn, dyn nhw?
Pam?
Achos mae'r vacuum yn cymryd yr air o nhw.
Mae yna airlock ddo ar y fe.
Ie, ond beth i'n dweud, os nhw'n agor y drws yna.
O, nhw wedi agor e.
Ie.
Oh, what? Mae jyst wedi lladd o blwmin hacker i.
O, i dwy'n helmed e. I achub ei hun. Wel, mae dau yn nhw. Come on, surely nhw gallu neud rhyw fath o, you know, double team a tag team.
Call Natalie Kensington.
You're okay. Answer call.
Ti'n gweld like a pose revenge sefyll.
Yeah,
we saw the lab
door
being open. Good work, Wakefield.
Appreciate the guidance, Parker.
Thanks for the lead, Natalie. There's
Oh my
still an
god,
armed
I should
intruder out
have
there,
just
Parker.
made
What
hwnna.
else do you have?
I could go for 90's internet. Cool. Unplug the lab, plug it back in.
Mae yna rannau o'r ffilm yma yn dda, a wedyn mae rannau o'r ysgrifennu just fel pan.
Emily has a security team poised to handle the last intruder.
No, that's a shit plan. He's standing right outside the door. Fucking security team of sprinters wouldn't make it down before he wastes us.
He's right, Parker.
It's a calculated risk worth taking.
Okay, well, when could you do this?
Whenever you're...
When you get Claire's blood.
Fuck, Natalie.
Yes, I know. It will kill her, but she's gonna die anyway. She'd be sacrificing herself to save millions. Think, Amy. We can't start over again. This has been our lives for the past 4 years. We're not the only country trying for nanocells.
I'm not a murderer.
You're a monster, Kensington.
Just take the blood, Amy. Time is running out. Deal or no deal?
Deal or no deal? No deal, Mr.
No
Banker.
deal. Ni ddim yn trystio'r bancwr fyna.
Na.
End call.
Y wancwr.
Ond y pwynt yw, mae kind of deall pwynt nhw hefyd, achos os maen nhw yn mynd i marw to beth.
Yeah, ond hi'n mynd i cymryd
Yeah, by Natalie. The lab's in lockdown mode
Yeah.
because she ordered
Ddim yn
it.
gwbod
There's
os
no
ni'n
other
person
chemical
dal i
threat
neud
outside of
hynny.
Claire's bioprotector.
Yeah, there is.
Na, hi ddim.
Na.
Uh-oh.
Ond mae Rhys bach yn dodge hefyd. Fi'n gweud i trwy llygaid hefyd.
How?
Should have brushed up on my needle handling.
Mae'n chwerthin.
Nice.
Silly Billy.
Pryd fod ni'n...
Look, this is a Mexican standoff we're going to lose.
Pryd fod ni'n cael yr opsiwn i disinfecto fe, dŵr yn ei disinfecto.
And
Ni'n dewis dŵr.
eventually the option will run
Achos fi ddim eisiau fe byw, fi ddim
Oh.
yn credu.
Our only hope.
You've changed your tune.
Oedd hwnna'n penderfynu
Maybe Natalie will
doi
rescue
dal
us.
Yeah, you want to bet?
aros gyda hwnna.
All the evidence of her actions in Kindar is down here. The nanocells are our only leverage. Take her blood, however much you need.
Dyna pam mae'n sal, ie.
Rwy'n meddwl fe wedi bod rhyfen da. Holl
Fi jyst yn teimlo bod mae jyst gormod o fel coincidence sut mae fe jyst wedi ymddangos.
I thought you were different.
Claire.
Wel, mae'n mynd I marw anyway.
Tell me honestly. Can you save me?
Positive or honest?
Honest.
There's almost no chance of it. Your internal physiology is completely changed, and I can't predict what's going to happen.
You're weak.
Look, I don't even know if I'm going to survive this. But if I do, I promise you that...
Jesus.
Stop. I've got enough.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Don't stick it in. That's what she said.
Reese.
Oh,
just close the bioprotector. Claire can live to fight another day.
Yay.
It's about time I contributed an escape plan.
What?
While Parker was talking me through the vacuum reset, I realised that a full lab reset wouldn't be much different. We don't need those pricks upstairs.
But if you reset the lab, they'll be alerted.
That's where things get creative. I hacked into the lab security camera and recorded the last 3 minutes of you preparing to extract Claire's blood. I can output that 3 minutes of footage onto their security feed. While you escape, they'll think you're following orders.
How did you come up with this?
Saw it in a movie.
Okay, but what about our last remaining obstacle outside? And why are you speaking in the second person?
I'm going to take him out. I'm infected. As soon as I step into the void, that heat flash will trigger.
Reese, you've lost it.
If I die in here, lockdown mode ends and he gets in. If I die out there, so does he, and you have a chance. I've been the weak link. Time to become an asset.
Accept, they stop.
Just take Claire, run, and save her.
Accept, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, let's
No, look, I chose this, okay? And that's how you make a life. Every single choice along the way counts.
Ooh, mae'n setio fyny y game yma, yn dwi? Oh, gosh.
Oh, mae'n mynd... No, paid marw.
You know, I went back to that beach.
Oh, God, come on. Seriously?
To face it.
Fe oedd y weasel wnaeth redeg I ffwrdd. Come on.
And I think maybe if I hadn't lost my shit, then we could have saved one of them.
Yeah. Maybe.
I'm sorry for leaving you.
Mae David yn dweud mae'n mynd I ffeindio ffordd I byw, dwi'n meddwl.
Yeah, pam fi'n just like cymryd y rag bant o coes fe, taflu hwnna. Bydd hwnna'n gweithio, right?
Come on, social distancing, boy. Oh.
Didn't your mother ever tell you not to kiss anyone carrying a life-threatening pathogen?
Fysach chi gwaed. Oh, yeah.
I appreciate the sentiment, though. More than you.
Efallai ddim.
No.
Wait!
What is
Hello?
it, Claire?
Switch places with me, Reese. At this stage, You have a far better chance of surviving than I do.
Go, Claire.
Come on. You have all
Come
the
on.
evidence against Kensington.
Go on.
Make sure the world sees it.
No, Claire, I'll do it.
Drop it. The bioprotector will stop the lab detecting your infection, and you two can escape.
Sacrifice Claire.
Yeah. Oh, no, Reese.
Come on.
Reese.
Be, no, Reese, you've been.
Alright, make clear then. We'll see. And
I
I'm just
promise
great. You didn't
we'll
copy
expose
Reese, you could
Natalie.
have trusted her. You
And
dialed
we'll
them
share your
incredibly
story
that
with
one.
the world.
Yeah.
Achievement unlocked, kamikaze.
Get me the fuck out of this thing.
Where is he?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Os bydden ni'n clicio dy fideo fi jyst yn dweud bydde Reese wedi mynd. So ti'n neud hwnna i bobl jyst redig I ffwrdd mewn sefyllfa ar y dechrau.
Did you do that, Parker?
No. I'm sitting here.
We're just fresh to your bits, you know.
Brilliant.
Let's do this.
Phew.
Chemical threat detected.
Can you truce?
Heat flash initiated.
He's kind of... Hey, right? Oh my gosh.
Security Lab Alpha system reset complete.
Nailed it, Claire.
All looks good to me.
Yeah. She's going to get the nanocells. Well done, Amy.
I wouldn't have.
What was that?
Nothing?
Uh-oh. I wouldn't have. Oh, come on.
You what?
I wouldn't have. Traitor. Gonna get you.
Against me.
Amy, fuck that! Get a machine gun!
Oh my god, I took one like a burnt corpse on it, it's like dust.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Dustos.
We have to change out of our lab suits. They'll draw too much attention.
How bad is it? Can you see the bone?
Nice.
I'm gonna go to the disabled toilet and grab the fold-up wheelchair, okay? Change quick.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god, mae hi properly wedi mynd ar ôl y Resident Evil look ydy hi.
Right side.
Yeah, dude, edge up totally inconspicuous.
Yeah, gyda just gun. Just
machine gun. Casual, like, yeah, let's go.
Oh, brilliant. Oh, come on.
Just dim peripheral vision ar y cars, no, just like...
Na, dim o gwbl, na. A hyd yn oed lift yn agor? Come on,
yeah.
surely.
Okay, there's an exit out of the back of the building. It'll be way less guarded.
Right, so what we're waiting for?
Natalie's office is down there.
Let's just get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, let's. Let's finish what Claire started.
MI6, here we come.
Stop right there, Amy Tennant.
Uh-oh. Ni mynd I saethu nhw. O na, hi'n goody.
Yeah. Fi'n creepy ti'n helpu.
I guess 3 minutes wasn't long enough.
We know Wakefield has nanocells in his system. Hand him over and this can end without bloodshed.
Well, that's clearly bullshit.
Just do it, Amy.
Reason the aggression.
Natalie's covering up the murder of innocent men, women, and children. Emily, you know this is wrong.
I knew about everything. The nanosol duplicates, the testing in Kindar. I oversaw it all while you're busy fiddling with your test tubes. Now hand him over. You're trapped.
Ooh. Amy, use me. You always said I could sell ice to the Eskimos.
FOV can't. In minus.
Use Reese, don't use Reese. Use Reese?
Use Reese.
Hey, look. I'm a pretty selfish person. But the woman behind me with the Uzi isn't, so just... Don't punish her for that.
Where are you going with this, Reese?
You can have me, Kensington. Just let Amy go.
The video to do it FOV minus 100.
No deal. I can't just let Amy walk out of here.
Emily!
Just do it, Amy. It's okay, just do it. Do it. Do it.
Just neud e.
Os mae'n gofyn, ydw i'n mynd I saethu ni?
Ie, bendant. Yn y pen.
Nid fi'n redig.
Na, nid. Saethu.
O, nid fi gael saethu un o'r guards.
Nid saethu'r mer? Na. Edrych, dwi ddim gyda clem.
Get him back to Security Lab Alpha now!
Fuck you, Kensington!
I need Tennant!
Oh, nice. Ready for... Hunt. Go on. Come on now. Pam nes ti taflu'r gun? Dyna cwestiwn mawr.
Redig saethu MI6.
Yeah. Freedom! Yeah, fi'n gwybod. Pan fi'n gweld MI6 y thing na, fi wastad yn meddwl bod James Bond yr un lle maen nhw'n...
Hey!
Crimes against humanity. This follows the discovery of footage linking her to illegal chemical testing on humans in Kindar, which resulted in the deaths of hundreds. The Kindarian embassy have denied any involvement.
Yeah, whatever.
Yay!
Dyna ni.
Beth oedd digwydd I Reese, dda? Ydy wedi marw, neu?
Fi ddim yn siŵr, actually. Achos o'n nhw'n mynd I defnyddio y nanotechnology yn y gwaed fe, falle...
Ie.
Falle nhw'n
Ie. Sa'n siŵr. Perhaps ni'n gweld ar ôl y credits.
Ie, falle.
Or if hwnna'n pretty good.
Yeah.
Dwi'n hoffi hwnna. Freedom!
Yeah, nice. Ond, os ni'n mynd I roi pen ar y bloc nawr o hwnna neu late shift. Sorry, late shift and night shift. Late shift.
But rwy fi heb di chwarae late shift.
O na!
So...
O na! Actually, na!
Ie, rwy beth wedi chwarae.
O ti yn Aber, rwy ti?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh god, yeah. Diddorol, okay.
So beth wyt ti'n meddwl? Wyt ti'n hoffi hyn neu late shift? Mwy?
Os fi'n bod yn onest, o'n i'n teimlo oedd late shift yn gwell.
Ie.
Just achos oedd fwy o teimlad o perygl. Bod na teimlad o perygl yna, oedd e ddim oedd y stakes ddim mor uchel â hynny, neu falle o'n I ddim yn hoffi'r cymeriadau gymaint I poeni os o'n nhw'n marw.
Rwyt ti just eisiau llaw, Rhys?
Ie, o'n i'n desperate I Rhys marw. Ond, dyna'r thing. Yn yr un arall, o'n i'n eitha hoffi'r cymeriadau. So, o'n i'n dilyn nhw ar y siwrne nhw, a o'n i'n teimlo, actually, bydd y merch yna, fe, o'n nhw ddim yn digon hoffus fel cymeriadau I actually eisiau nhw byw, so. Ond Rhys, o'n i definitely eisiau fe I marw.
Wel, mae dy fideo wedi dweud gobeithio bydd yn byw. Rwy eisiau fe byw hefyd.
Dwi ddim. Wel, naeth e redig I ffwrdd. Oedd y job fe oedd I safio'r 2 person o'r dechrau, a naeth e just redig I ffwrdd.
Rwy fe'n ofn.
Mae'r stori bach yn, mae'n lot o tyllau yn y stori o ran sut mae fe just magically yn troi fyny ar y diwrnod lle mae yna problem arall. A mae ddi dweud, o'n i yn y ddinas tu oed bungee jumping, a oedd e ddim wedi chwarae hwnna fel oedd e'n joke, so ti bach fel serious? So ti'n neud bungee jumping yn dinas Llundain? A'r gai gyda'r ponytail, oedd delivery fe, oedd actio fe fel, yes, I'm a naughty man. Ti'n oedd e bach fel, come on. Fi rhaid I fi, os ti'n gallu edrych fyny Garth Marenghi's Dark Place, a mae'r scene yna, right, os ti'n cael look ar y bit, scene bach o'n I wedi chwarae gyda'r gai gyda'r ponytail, oedd actio yn Garth Marenghi's Dark Place, rai o'r cymeriadau yn eitha tebyg, so, fi rhaid ti gwylio fe I deall y reference, ond mae'n funny series anyway. Not bad. Ond fi enjoyo nhw, fi enjoyo'r ffilmiau interactive yma a FMV. Achos fi'n hoffi gwylio ffilms I bod yn teg, so syniad bod chi'n gallu reoli beth sy'n digwydd mewn. Mae'n eitha nice, mae'n gwahanol, a I bod yn teg, fi wedi bod yn eitha blinedig, so o'n i'n hapus just I eistedd nôl, gwylio ffilm, a, just gweld beth sy'n digwydd.
Mae 9 diwedd ar y game hyn, o'r stori hyn. 83 allan o 196 scenes discovered, 83 decisions made, personality assessment, altruistic, 54% honesty, 70% bravery, 77% curiosity, 100% intelligence, and 71% sensitivity. Altruistic, beth di hwnna yn?
Fel ti'n neud pethau lles pobl eraill, fi'n credu yw altruistic. Cywiro fi yn y chat os fi'n anghywir, fi'n credu mae fe'n neud popeth nhw'n neud ar gyfer pobl eraill yn lle I hunain. Fel selfless fi'n credu yw altruistic. Rhywbeth tebyg anyway.
Unselfish.
Unselfish,
Selfless. Altruism is the principle of moral practice with concern for happiness of other human beings or animals.
Right, fi'n mynd I checo bod fy mab actually wedi mynd I gysgu achos oedd e'n chwarae gyda'i cefndir just naeth nhw mynd, nes I glywed nhw'n mynd fel 5 munud ar ôl a wedyn fi wedi chwarae hwn, so fi just angen checo achos os dwi ddim yn cysgu erbyn I fy ngwraig dod adre, fi literally yn y doghouse, felly byddai nôl.
Beth oedd unrhyw un sy'n gwylio yn chat, beth wyt ti'n meddwl am yr game hwnna? FMV. Interactive movie, I guess. Ti'n meddwl? Ti'n joio dy fideo? Nice. Rwy'n fi'n hoffi fe. Hefyd, rwy'n hwyl. Rwy'n hoffi fel, choose your own story fel pethau fel hwnna. Mae'n neis. Rwy'n just mynd I... Rwy'n edrych ar y cast, oherwydd hi'n edrych yn familiar. And obviously late shift bach yn fwy ond fel Morgan ta. Rwy heb di chwarae late shift eto. So rwy angen tri o'r un hwnna. Complex cast. Apparently a complex and 2013 horror film hefyd. Roedd hi'n mewn MI High. Hwna ne? Hwna ble rwy'n cofio hi o. Let me cael y lan nawr. Just game, where's it? Window capture, no. Let me just newid. Edrych, roedd hi'n mewn MI High. Hwna ble roedd hi'n blymyn recognise hi o. Ydy hwnna gyd? Ydy un yn yr chat yn cofio hyn? Blymyn MI High. Hwna'n throwback and a half. Dyna hi. Wel, si ddim o hwnnw. Rydw i ddim gwylio fe. Roedd hwnna'n... Roedd hwnna'n arno CBBS, like... 2007, 2014. Yn cofio hwnna. Oh, we're really good. Sa'n siwr beth ni'n mynd i gwneud nawr, os ni'n mynd i mynd trwy hyn a trio scenes arall neu chwarae rhywbeth arall. Rwy ddim ond gwylio CBBC a DVI a sa'n cofio pa dyddiau roedd unrhyw o'r shows arno.
Beth ti'n siarad am?
Yr un oedd yn chwarae Emily, roedd hi'n mewn MI High.
Ar
CBBS, ie. Hwnnw ble roedd fi'n cofio hi o.
O, nes ti ddweud hynny, ie.
Ie.
Oh, god. Da iawn.
Roedd hi gweld y sioe hwnna ers, like, blymyn... probably dros 10 mlynedd yn ôl.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Ti'n pwy sydd ddim di heneiddio o gwbl yw, ti di gweld Martin Lewis Money Show?
Martin Lewis Money Show, na.
Beth yw enw'r cyflwynydd yna? Mae hi, literally, weles i footage o hi pan oedd hi cyflwyno oedd y Playdays pryd hynny, fel CBBS equivalent, a literally, dyw i ddim, fi eisiau cael diet neu beth bynnag sydd gan fy hi.
Ie. Y ferch yna, beth di enw hi?
Neu cael e nawr. Achos, yn hygoel.
Angelica Bell.
Angelica Bell, oh my god.
Oh ie, hi'n edrych literally yr un peth.
Literally yr un peth.
Ie, hi heb di newid.
It's fantastic. Ti'n gwybod, mae just... Falle mae'n mynd i gysgu mewn rhyw fath o cryogenic fel...
Hi ddim yn 44.
Frozen thing, mae just...
What? Hi ddim yn edrych 44 o gwbl.
Na.
Like, hi'n edrych... latest, like... late 20s.
Ie, fi'n gwybod. Mae hi... Mae just yn anhygoel.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Fi'n credu dyle nhw'n neud Martin Lewis Money Show a Angelica, beth yw ail enw hi?
Bell.
Angelica Bell, sut i gadw'n edrych yn wych. You know, beidio eiddio, you know? Sut i stopio henaint.
Yeah.
Angelica Bell, definitely. Byddwn ni'n gwrando'r popeth mae'n dweud. Ond fi'n credu mae'n y genetics gyda rai pobl, maen nhw just gyda'r ffodus iawn.
Roedd hi'n ar 50-50 oedd hi. Cofio'r sioe hwnna?
Ie. Oedd hi'n loads o sioe.
Roedd 50-50 yn great.
Mae Emrys Hobart wedi dweud, helo, sori am methu tan nawr.
A mae'n iawn, wel, ni just wedi gorffen.
I'r ffilm, ond ni'n reminisco a hel atgofion y dyrnadau Playdays a CBBC a just pethau random nawr. So. Os gyda chi unrhyw beth random chi eisiau trafod, nawr yw'r amser, a cored unrhyw pwnc. Fi'n cael... Yeah. So, mae Emrys Hobart wedi bod yn gwneud sim racing achos mae dyfer VR headset a mae fe wedi rhoi... Ti wedi gweld y lluniau o hwnna, o?
Ie, mae nhw'n edrych mor cool.
Beth yw e? Cadair o car neu minibus neu rhywbeth. A mae'r set-up yna'n edrych yn really cool. Actually, nes I setio fyny y PSVR eto. A wedi ail lawrlwytho neu ail gosod Blood and Truth. Achos o'n I just fel, oh my god, mae wedi bod gymaint o amser ers I fi chwarae hwnna. Eith hwnna eitha cool, ond yr unig peth yw gyda fe, achos I wneud e fel stream, fi rhaid I fi gael rhywun I just siarad I fi I dweud this stream chat. Neu fi wedi gweld yr opsiynau o sut I wneud e ar stream a gweld y thing, ond mae fe'n gormod o faff, so dyna yw'r workaround, so fi rhaid I fi bwco rhywun. Bod yn co-pilot I gwylio hwnna.
Bi ti definitely angen cael y green screen tu ôl ti. Just like...
definitely.
Gwneud yna. Actually, siarad am sim racing. Rwyf fi yn meddwl am cael un o'r racing wheels.
O ti?
Yeah, I've always wanted one. Like, really eisiau un efo like force feedback. So rwyf fi yn edrych ar yr un Logitech un hwnna, yr un newydd. Ni wedi dod allan like blwyddyn yma. And I was like, oh, rwyf fi eisiau fe. Mae fel like...
Logitech G29 mae Emrys Hobart yn dweud.
Nice. Ond mae'n mor drud ddo yr un newydd fan. Mae'n fel 350 pint.
Ydy e?
Ie, a wedyn mae'n fel 40 pint extra am y shifter.
Edrych amdano fe fel hyn, right, o? Gyda popeth crap sy'n digwydd yn y byd ar y foment, ble ydych chi'n cael eich pleserau o, right? Achos so chi'n mynd I gallu mynd ar wyliau am cyfnod hir probably. So, os ti'n meddwl amdano fe, mae rhaid cael rhyw fath o rhywbeth. Ti angen gwneud pethau yn bywyd sy'n rhoi egni dda I ti nôl, neu beth yw'r pwynt? Mae Emrys yn dweud union logic fi, Ond mae Emrys a fi yn gwael iawn yn prynu pethau, as in, dyn ni'n gweld fe a ni'n prynu fe, a wedyn ni'n cyfiawnhau e fel y speech yma, so, falle. Ond Nadolig yn dod fyny nawr, Owain, ti wedi clywed y phrase, treat yourself.
Treat myself, like just nice early Christmas present.
Mae Davidio wedi angen mynd, hwyl fawr Davidio.
Hwyl fawr, diolch am gwylio. Gobeithio ti joio.
Fi'n dweud hwn achos fi wedi cael treat yourself a fi wedi prynu'r Sinden light guns, 2-player Sinden light guns. So, mae Emrys yn dweud payday nesaf byddai'n cael y light gun na hefyd. Brilliant.
Nice.
Fi'n credu ni'n gwael Emrys achos fi a ti'n ego'n gilydd ymlaen a prynu pethau. Robod, dyna ni probably ddim, ond treat yourself.
Ble mae e? Mae gan fi ar agor ar un o'r blymyn tabs hyn.
Owain, siwr mae hwn yn mynd I ymestyn draw I ti nawr hefyd. Achos actually, ges ti impulse buy a prynu'r 3D printer yna. So, ti'n just mor susceptible I wneud hwn. Mae'r order am y Sinden light guns na, ddo, maen nhw'n dod I o nawr. Dyna'r unig fanna amdano fe. Fi jyst yn cyffroes bod fi wedi prynu fe a mae fe'n ar y ffordd, really. Bod e'n mynd I bod y spel. Achos, so ddim arall. A hefyd, fi'n gwybod, fi ddim yn tempted ar hyn o bryd gyda'r next-gen consoles, PS5 a'r Xbox One.
Yeah.
Sorry, Xbox X Series of it, dyna beth nhw'n galw fe?
Series X, yeah.
Series X, sorry. So, mae rhan o fi'n meddwl, well, you know, Ala fi ddim yn prynu hwnna. Ond fi wedi gweithio mas, fi rhaid I fi unai cael y Raspberry, cael rhywbeth I chwarae fe ar.
Yeah.
So, gallu chwarae fe ar thing, ond falle na I edrych mewn I fel Raspberry Pi 4, achos mae fe'n ffordd eitha rad diddorol I wneud e. Logic fi ers dipyn nawr ydy, os mae'n rhoi pleser, di o ddim yn drud. Hwna fydd mandra fi am yr bailiffs yn knocio'r drws. Brilliant. Carry on,
Ie, roedd hyn yn yr un rwy'n fi'n edrych arno. Yr un newydd nhw, G923, rwy'n meddwl nhw'n just dod fi allan neu rhywbeth, ond... Ie. O, rwy'n fi yn edrych ar fel y beth oedd gwahaniaeth rhwng yr un hyn ar yr G9... the other one, beth rwy'n cael ei galw, the G9...
G9 of Hemrys di roi, ie.
Mae'n basically yr un peth, nhw just wedi newid y looks.
Yeah.
Mae hwnna'n literally it, mae'n yr un peth.
G920 / yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, 23, so beth yw'r upgrade? Mae nhw'n trio gweld... Dim byd, right, okay.
Wel, nhw'n dweud, it's got true force, next gen force feedback. Ond mae'n literally exactly the same force feedback sydd mewn yr un arall. Literally the same.
Emrys yn dweud G29 yn PS4 / PC, G920 yn PC Xbox. Oh, okay.
Yeah, maen nhw'n cael like different buttons.
Right.
Right, os ti'n edrych fan hyn. Mae'n just cael fel PlayStation buttons a wedyn Xbox PC buttons.
Yeah.
A wedyn yr un newydd, nhw just wedi gael nhw yr un peth. And it's just PC version, PlayStation version, Xbox version.
Wel, mynd lawr y hewl hefyd o VR. Y 2 gêm ar PSVR fi'n wir yn edrych ymlaen at yw Hitman 3 VR. Mae fath o gêm fel na fi'n credu yn mae'n dibynnu sut maen nhw'n neud e, ond y syniad chi'n gallu defnyddio fel yr aim controllers I wneud rhywbeth. Fi ddim yn siŵr os mae hwnna wedi cadarnhau eto. Bydd hwnna'n cool. A hefyd Sniper. Sniper Elite VR.
A dyna fe. This is the post rwy'n edrych arno. Yeah, the G923. I cross-reference all issued certifications in any way relating to this product, and everything points to just a rebranded G29 G920 combo. But also technical, physical specifications, the actual hardware, and supporting accessories such as the AC adapter. They didn't bother updating the power supply. It comes with the same power supply. This 2015. The pedal board, the shifter, the same. Remember nhw wedi adio fel spring neu rhywbeth mewn y brake pedal neu rhywbeth fel na, just so mae'n bit more springy. So mae'n literally the G920's looks with the G29's brains. And a big buck marketing campaign. Yeah.
Rhaid fi gofyn cwestiwn gyflym. Emrys, ti wedi dweud ti wedi bwcio diwrnod off am Hitman 3 release. Beth yw'r dyddiad? Mae rhaid I fi gwybod hwnna.
Oes na stori mewn Hitman 3? Oherwydd, rwy'n dechrau chwarae un o'r Hitman games. Remember rwy'n Hitman 1?
Am ddim ar y PS Plus o dde?
Na, rwy'n chwarae fe, Hitman 1, rwy'n chwarae fe ar Steam. Ond, it's just, rwy'n chwarae, 3.5 hours o fe.
Yw hwnna'r geinfed?
Oherwydd does dim story mewn e. Like, I was just like, I don't want to play it. It's not, does dim story, and it's like, Ond, like, efo'r Hitman...
Rhyw fath o calon, wyt ti? Rhyw fath o fel cymhelliant I actually... Fi'n deall hwnna hefyd.
Like Hitman Absolution.
Mae'r ffilm bach yn dweud. Mae'r ffilm yn come on.
Like Hitman Absolution, roedd yna stori mewn there. I've already cael 21.2 hours mewn hwnna, just replay a story. Oh my god.
Crap, newid googlo a sylwi gath o delay.
Oh no!
Rhaid newid eich amser off, eich gwyliau, amser gwyliau fe.
Oh no!
Achos, ie, I geinfed o Ionawr mae'n dweud nawr.
Oh. General
Wel,
Ionawr.
ôl hwn.
Oh, hwnna'n gutting. That's gutting.
Laptopmag.com yw'r source fan hyn, so nhw'n chwarae gwmpas a 5 diwrnod yn ôl oedd hwnna. Felly, ie, General Ionawr nawr. Ie. Ie, fi'n gwybod. Ydw i'n cymryd then, mae'r Hitman 3 yn mynd i dod allan gyda PSVR ynghlwm gyda fe then, ar release date. Achos son nhw pob tro wneud hynny. Bydd yn good os ma nhw. Ond, ie. Dim byd, mae rhaid fi googlo nawr Sniper Elite VR. Fi'n gwybod ys na ddim. Fi'n dilyn gai o'r enw... Pwy yw'r gai fi'n dilyn ar YouTube sydd... Paul, PSVR Paul fi'n credu yw e. PSVR Paul. Polish Paul VR, dyna ni. Polish Paul VR. A mae fe'n really dda o ran updates y PSVR yn enwedig. A dweud fi ddim wedi cael unrhyw beth popio fyny ynglyn â hwnna eto, felly. Ie. O, cool, ti'n gallu... Awesome.
O, hyn yn mynd i bod yn awesome mewn blymyn VR, oh my god.
Ie, mae yn do e.
Oh, imagine dynofio y ropes mewn VR.
Oh god.
Oh! Hwnna'n cool.
Ie. Fi'n credu mae'r gêm yma'n perffaith ar gyfer VR. A os maen nhw'n really yn cael yr move controllers yn gywir, fel nhw'n actually dwylo ti, fi'n credu ni'n sôn am cymryd i lefel nesaf. Cos dwi'n hoffi'r stuff cutesy, Astrobot, y pethau lliwgar, ond ar ochr arall dwi'n caru Firewall.
Yeah.
Y gemau fel yna lle chi literally yn seithi a mae fe'n eitha realistig. Ond bydde gêm sy'n kind of rhwng y ddoi fel Hitman lle gêm un chwaraewr yw e a chi'n gorfod Well, Blood and Truth fi'n credu yw'r un fwyaf agos i Hitman. A nes I wir joio hwnna.
Yeah.
Fi yn tempted I rhywbryd wneud falle stream arall o fe. Os fi'n gallu perswadio ti I bod yn ar y comms hefyd a siarad ar stream.
Yeah, bydd hwnna cool. Hey, ti'n siw fi just chwarae, beth ni cael 11, 10, 9, 40, 20 munud? Just chwarae bit Hitman.
Yeah.
Am y 20 munud olaf. Why not?
Why not? Cael ni yn y mood ar gyfer thing on. I geinfed o Ionar ddo, fi eisiau fe nawr!
Mynd I nerd I windowed, 1080. So mae ddim yn super wide I pawb. Save. Play. Yeah.
O, dyna gêm arall sydd dy fi yw Psychonauts and the Rhombus of Ruin.
Yeah.
Mae hwnna'n gêm... Nes I chwarae rhyw 20 munud o fe, mynd yn stuck, a nes I ddim pigo fe fyny to. Mae wedi bod blwyddyn cyfan, falle 2 mlynedd, ers I fi mynd nôl at y fe, a fi actually wedi mynd pellach, so mae'n okay. Fi'n credu, o'n I just wedi mynd rhwystredig a just rhoi fyny rhy gyflym, ond yeah. Fi yn hoffi'r fel a point and click adventure style games o'na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rwy heb di chwarae fe, beth fe Psychonauts?
Psychonauts, yeah.
Na, rwy heb di... Rwy heb di chwarae hwnna. Sut ti'n sillafu Psycho? Is it P?
PS, yeah.
Na, rwy'n cael e. Why does it sound really familiar?
Oedd yn game ar PS1?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 minute though. Blame?
Oh yeah, mae'r Steam. Oh yeah. Na, mae ddim yn edrych familiar I fi. Just try anyone.
Ooh.
No Knife Broken Age.
Ei, ar y 15fed,
yeah.
o mis yma, mae Leisure Suite Larry Wet Dreams Dried Twice allan. Fi'n credu, bendant, mae hwnna'n werth stream, come on.
Ydyn ni gallu stream o hwnna ar Twitch, though? Is that allowed?
Tiod, ni ddim yn mynd i gwybod nes bod ni'n trio fi. Wel, fi ddim yn...
Let me Google it. Twitch.
Achos mae fe'n cartoony, so fe fel... So fe'n... pornography yw e, tiod? Okay, Broken Age, fi'n caru Broken Age. Point and click, adventure, cyfres gorau erioed. Broken Age. Na, sorry, ddim Broken Sword. Sorry, Broken Sword, ddim Broken Age. Fi ddim yn gwybod beth yw Broken Age. O'n i just yn confused fanna. Mae'n creu game tebyg i Uncharted lle mae yna rhywun yn darganfod catref gwaelod. Dwi'n credu Bryn Terfel ddylse bod y prif cymeriad.
Mae pob Larry game lod.
YnChwarae ar Pornhub. Na, ni ddim ar Pornhub. Yep, dwi'n checkio. Mae pob Larry game. Mae pob Larry game allowed. Mae Kieran yn dweud.
Nice.
Come on.
Right. Beth ti eisiau gwneud ar Hitman te? Just destination?
Go on, nid fi bynnag, really. Dim ots.
Beth ti eisiau mynd? Paris, Sapienza, Marrakesh, Bangkok, Colorado, o Hokkaido. Only fans Cymraeg. Hell yeah.
Sorry. Nes I gwasgu'r unmute button fanna.
Ble ti eisiau mynd?
Only fans Cymraeg, mae'r fi'n arts yn dweud. Oh god. Oh dear. Chi ddim yn barod I weld hwn. Come on nawr. Oh dear. Mae unrhyw beth yn sôn rhan arts punch-in sacks de.
Nice.
Okay. O na, mae hwnna'n cool though, achos mae Larry's... Gwrando hwn, mae hwnna'n ironic iawn. Mae Leisure Suite Larry release ar yr un diwrnod a diwrnod siamai. Diwrnod lle chi fod gorfod dweud siamai I bobl. Ti'n dechrau sgwrs gyda siamai. Hoffwn I gweld Larry yn dweud siamai I bobl. Dyna'n ffynnu. Falle nos Wener nesa, ti'n meddwl? Beth ti'n meddwl o?
Beth?
Dydd Gwener nesa, right? Yw'r 16.
Good evening, 47. Your destination is the Paris Fashion Show by Cymraeg, one of Europe's leading couture brands. Your targets are San Bruno Victor Novikov, a former oligarch turned fashion, and his partner Daria Margolis, retired supermodel, an iconic power couple on the global fashion scene and two of the most dangerous people in the world. Novikov and Margolis are in fact the ringleaders of Iago.
Dy fi cwpl o bethau gwahanol, sa'n really... Siamai Larry Laffer.
Good evening, 47. Yeah. Your destination is the Paris Fashion.
Oh, ring gwasgu play ar y bloody briefing and play ar y thing. Oh my god.
Okay. Mae Kieran dweud chwarae rai hen. Bydd hwnna'n hwyl. Bydd hwnna yn hwyl. Mynd nôl I yr un fi'n cofio chwarae. Mae dy fi fe ar ti'r Scum VM yw... fi wedi chwarae Ship for Sale, ond yr un classic pan o'n i'n fel 13, 15. A'r un sydd mae'r humor yn... Gael fi gweld nawr. A dweud ti, yr un nes I chwarae gynta yw...
Welcome to Paris, 47. The show is just about to start. This is the red carpet event of the season, and the guest list is a veritable who's who of the global fashion elite.
Fi'n credu...
Find Victor Novikov basking in the spotlight, while Dalia Margot
Na, ddim
hosts the
looking for love,
auction on the second floor for a group of
Falle
the
pimp passionate Patty does a little undercover
Now,
work.
event security will keep a watchful eye on
Mae
any
ddim yn
suspicious
edrych yn...
activity. But I trust your timeless look shall fit right in.
Oh, shape up or slip out. O hwnna. Hwnna nes I chwarae gynta. So Lericious Sweet Larry 6. Shape up or slip out. Oh. Ond ie, mae fe'n unigryw. Ond fi'n credu, mae fe'n diddorol achos bydd angen chi roi stream fel 18 plus obviously. Ie, bydden ni yn. Bydd ni'n rhoi hwnna, plastro hwnna am pob man. Falle ddim wneud poster amdano fe, just rhoi e trwy'r Discord. Be chi'n meddwl? Oh.
Yeah, just rhoi Discord.
Just rhoi pob yn bod fel, pobl fel...
Yeah.
Caru Rhif 6, yeah. Yeah, dyna oedd y cyntaf. O'r humor yn y gêm yna. Yn I fel, mae rai jyst dychmygu, roed hwnna yna, just bwrw llen cyndod, a ti'n cael Leisure Sweet Larry 6 yn eich bawyd. Ti'n fel... Just mor fel... Humor... Mae'n rhywun blue with e, body a... Just, yeah. Proper...
Make sure to join Dahlia for a drink.
Mae fe fel, os ti'n meddwl am fel carry-on ffilm, humor o'na, ond lluosi a mil, achos maen nhw actually yn mynd I trio pigo fyny'r... Yeah, mae jyst yn funny. Bydd rhywbeth eitha nostalgic iawn ynglyn â mynd nôl a chwarae hwnna, fel oedolyn. Achos o'n I ddim di chwarae fe pan o'n i'n oedolyn I ddechrau, so... Yeah. Just yn wondro beth oedd oedran, fi'n credu... 12, 13 falle. Oh gosh. They're just...
I don't know. There's something...
Yeah. Anyway, so falle... Os ti lan am chwarae hwnna o ar stream hefyd, neu gwylio fe wrth fi chwarae, ond mae yna penderfyniadau ni I helpu gyda hwnna. So mae point and click adventure yn handi gael rhywun arall, achos weithiau chi ddim yn gallu gweld yn amlwg beth sydd chi gorfod wneud. So cael rhywun I meddwl, o, be fi'n colli fan hyn, a ni ddim yn gallu gweld, yn eitha handi. Ti yn y zone nawr, Ro.
Yeah.
Man.
It's like, sa'n cofio'r blooming controls ar game hyn.
Ti'n mynd I cuddio'r corff? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Ie, fi'n gwylio ti trwy'r Twitch nawr, so os mae ymateb I...
Dwi di rhoi ar...
O, ti wedi eto, okay, cool.
So mae game hyn yn really loud.
Yeah.
At least the music on.
I try loud.
Great glass display case. Sipping bloomin' dequip! Rang yn edrych ar bloomin' control sign. Cool.
Yeah. Mouse and keyboard?
Yeah. Key binding.
Mae hwn yn swnio fel clickbait neu rhywun yn spam o fyna. In search of followers, primes and views, come on, bigfollows.com.
Nice. Oh yeah, that's bison followers. Rhywun donate o £10 I mynd towards...
Fi gwell dy fi, curry.
Yeah.
So yeah, os chi'n gwylio nawr a chi eisiau ychwanegu at pot, curry pot, literal curry pot ni. Bydd e yn bwyta wedyn, yn lle yn chwarae. Ni wedi wneud pethau fel nawr blaen. Pan o'n i'n cwrdd, literally, oedd hwnna fel traddodiad cryf ni, oedd rhaid cael takeaway pob tro o'n i'n cwrdd.
Caps lock?
Yeah.
Oh, mouse button 3. Oh my god. Ah, there we go. I'm disguised for stagehand now.
Oh.
Whee! That's been Tiathan.
Well, at least this line looks like real clothes. Let it test anything.
YOLO! Douglas Adams. Oh hell yeah, look, dyna'r dyn sy'n edrych fel fi, the supermodel. Sy'n literally edrych fel spitting image o Agent 47. Mae'n mynd I subduo fe a dwy'n o dillad fe.
Yeah.
Snapping some necks, cashing some checks. Oh! Yeah, we're angen newid y bloomin' streaming game thing. Streaming
Yeah,
thing.
mae'n weird. Yeah.
Hitman.
Yeah.
Done. Yeah,
Yeah.
we reswm ar y chat thing hyn, remethu actually delete our comments.
Oh dear.
So I can't moderate chat, whoops.
Oh we. Paid fine. Mae pawb yn eitha... Well, last famous words fe. Nhw gyd yn eitha call, ond yeah. Ni siŵr o fod dweud rhywbeth sydd yn fwy dadleuol. Na. Beth... Ie, beth yn mynd dweud? Ie, reswm ni wedi mynd am Hitman. Mae Hitman ar PSVR yn dod allan, Douglas Adams, a pawb arall sy'n gwylio. Pa gêm hoffech chi chwarae mewn VR sydd ddim? Mae Hitman yn slaphead, Renat. Mae hwnna'n wir, actually. Mae gyda fe barcode ar y cefn, does? Sy'n handy os chi ar bwys y checkout a chi eisiau gwybod faint mae fe'n costio per job.
I don't know if option hit mod icons and just... There we go. Delete. It's gone.
Ah, cool. Fi gallu gweld ti wedi delete fe na. Gwych. So yeah, bit pa game pawb yn y chat.
Hitman and Slaphead. Oh yeah, man. Delay. Just...
pa gemau byddech chi hoffi chwarae mewn VR? Tiod, mae Hitman yn dod allan. Mae Sniper Elite VR fi'n really excited y cyffroes bod hwnna'n dod allan. Beth yw eich fel top game chi'n credu bydd yn awesome I chwarae mewn VR? Oes gyda ti unrhyw syniadau o beth hoffet ti weld?
Sa'n siŵr. Rwy'n really hoffi fel racing games pryd nhw'n VR. Yeah.
Well, mae Emrys all over that. Yeah. Gyda'i sim racing setup. Diweddar of Half-Life ddim fod yn VR. Okay. So, yeah, mae kind of opposite o be ni'n gofyn, ond mae hwnna'n good bod ti'n dweud hynny.
Woo! I really
Beth yw Mr Clean yn gwneud?
Oh no! Fake surrender. Sorry!
Yeah, beth oedd e Alex?
Sut fi newid blwyddyn...
VR?
How do I change gun?
Ti'n dawnsio?
How do I change weapon?
Targets engaged in a
oh,
fight.
W! How do I change weapon?
Rubbish, mae ddim hyd yn oed yn safety ti.
Oh no! Hey, D! W.
So fe'n chwarae gwmpas. Ti'n mynd I marw o...
Na, mae gen I scissors.
Seriously?
Tango, move to my position.
Look at the gun!
Dyna ti, shot, boom.
Okay, we're fine.
Game RTS yn VR swnio'n diddorol. Beth yw RTS yn sefyll am?
Real-time strategy?
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, fel... Ac ni'n sôn am gemau fel kind of Age of Empires style. Neu, beth yw e Crusader Kings neu rhywbeth? Crusader, mae hwnna'n poblogaidd iawn. Mae am ddim ar y PC beta, Xbox PC beta thing yna. Wel, mae ddim yn am ddim, obviously, achos ti angen talu am y thing, am y aelodaeth, neu beth bynnag. Tetris yn VR. Ie, mae gyda ni game Tetris VR.
Tetris VR?
Ie, mae hwn allan yn barod ar y PSVR. Crusader Kings 3 newydd dod allan, lot llai dens na 2. Tetris Effect yn VR, ie, dyna ni. Lyfio Tetris Effect ar PSVR. Actually, be ni angen neud... Joshan oedden ni, ddim syniad fod na un. Wow. Na, o'n i wedi dweud o'r blaen, o'n i'n mynd i wneud match gogledd yn erbyn y de. Stephen Turner yn erbyn Emrys Evans am pencampwriaeth Tetris Cymru, right? Achos mae Stephen yn meddwl bod e'n the bee's knees, a fi'n credu mae Emrys gyda hawl i dweud, nes i gweld rai o'r stats fe ynglyn â sut mae fe'n chwarae Tetris, fi'n credu bydd e'n game eitha da. Mae rhaid i just dod ffeindio Stephen nawr, achos mae fe'n neidio off y map weithiau, a ni'n gweld wedyn mae fe'n mynd mewn, so mae bywyd weithiau mynd yn brysur. Mae Emrys dweud, I partake in Tetris from time to time. So, bydd yn good, fi'n credu bydd yn good i wneud y match-up yna. Ti o beth, sôn am gemau retro a Tetris yn amlwg yn cynnwys hwnna. Columns, cerddoriaeth columns yn clas. Fi ddim wedi defnyddio'r gair yna am spel.
Rwy'n meddwl dumpa nhw tu allan o'r ffenest.
Go on, taflu nhw mas o'r ffenest. Os chi'n cofio y theme tune columns, fi ddim yn gallu canu fe off top fy mhen achos bydd ddim yn swnio mor dda. Ond edrych i fyny cerddoriaeth columns. Oedd ar y Mega Drive. Just caru'r cerddoriaeth yna.
Rwy'n ddim yn gwneud good at all yn y lefel hyn. Rwy'n just llaw pawb.
Good. Fel hit man, fi'n credu mae'n rhan o'r job yn dweud?
Wel, na, oherwydd wedi llaw fel 5 non-targets.
Ti yn cymryd pawb allan, felly.
Sorry. Rwy'n ddim wedi sylweddoli beth sydd wedi digwydd.
Seriously. Rwy'n dyle fe cael y stan. Pendant.
Hello.
Edrych ar hwnna.
Spread hwnna.
Waw. Ges i pasti ysglodion am bwyd a fi'n teimlo bach fel... Fi eisiau bach o hwnna yn lle. Columns ar y Mega Game Pack 1 a'r Mega Drive efo Italia 90 a Super Hang. Fi hefyd. O'n i'n caru'r 3 mewn 1 yna. Italia 90? Oedd hwnna'n game dda. Fi'n cofio oedd cerddoriaeth hwnna'n eitha cool hefyd. Wel, popeth, y peth cyntaf, ti wastad yn meddwl bod e'n amazing, ond na, fi dal yn meddwl bod columns gyda un o'r cerddoriaeth fwyaf cool o'r Mega Drive. Douglas Adams gofyn, dych chi erioed wedi chwarae Phasmophobia? Na, fi heb. Intro Italia 90 yn clas. Mae Deiad fi yw peidio bwyta gormod o pethau brown ac mwy o bethau lliwgar. Ond ddim y luminous, dyna yw'r reol pwysig gyda. Mae'r peth yw, mae lot o lotion nice yn y luminous. Phasmophobia, fi'n mynd edrych hwnna dda.
Okay, what is that?
Ar Steam. 2 diwrnod. Phasmophobia. Here's when the game comes out on PC. be o'n i'n mynd i ddweud? Mae yna boi... beth yw ei enw fe?
Oh, get ready boys, dwi'n wedi cyrraedd allan y target cyntaf.
Hello!
There's a lot of skeletons in his book. Well done, 47. Victor Novikov, isn't it?
Fi'n credu dyna fe am fi heno, so fi'n mynd i gadw fan'na. Ie, o'n i eitha blynedig cyn y stream dechrau, so nawr fi'n super lago nawr a fi wedi neud rhaid. Ond na, fi'n joio hwnna, oedd y ffilm na'n wych, a fi'n credu... Fi ddim quite yn siŵr os fi'n teimlo oedd e'n ddigon dda i chwarae'r alternate. Ti'n gwybod fel o'n i'n cyffroes iawn gyda'r... Beth oedd e? A Way Out o'n i wedi chwarae?
Ie.
Oedd hwnna, o'n i'n really cyffroes i trio beth oedd yr alternatives. Gyda'r ffilm na wnaethon ni just chwarae, o'n i bach fel... Fi ddim really that bothered am trio'r endings gwahanol, achos... Fel ni'n dweud, o'n i ddim yn hoffi'r cymeriadau, a ni ddim yn poeni os yn nhw'n marw, so... Ie. Ond nes i joio fe, oedd yn good. Oedd yn good i just wylio rhywbeth yn lle... Pan ti'n blynedig, weithiau ti ddim gyda'r egni i gyd bod mewn game, so...
Ie.
Ie. So fi'n mynd i dwy'r hwyr fawr. Rhywbeth i edrych ymlaen at, mae... Crysau T, Dungeon y Dis yn mynd i dod yma allan cyn bo hir. So bydden rhoi fwy o gwybodaeth am hynny pam maen nhw allan. So bydd yn cool. Mae rhai'r mock-up designs yn edrych yn dda. Fi'n mynd i prynu rai fy hun achos mae'n eitha... fi'n hoffi... Fi'n caru lliw Royal Blue a mae yna un patrwm sy'n edrych eitha cool, ond sy'n pwynt i fi dweud na i just dangos chi tro nesaf pam maen nhw bendant ar werth ac ar gael. So ond nhw wedi mynd trwy'r phase mae'r datblygwr wedi caniatáu, just bod nhw'n limited run a bod nhw'n Cymraeg yn unig, felly ni'n lwcus i gallu cael yr hawliau, achos Crysau T yn bodoli yn Saesneg. Mae hwn yn rhywbeth exclusive i ni, sy'n really cool. Cyffroes i gallu brynu. So, anyway, fi off i gysgu nawr. Probably os ti'n cario ymlaen na i gwylio ti.
Remember, just mynd i cwblhau hyn a wedyn...
Okay, cool.
Call it a day.
Alright then. Nos da!
Hey, nos da, Morgan. Ble mae'r game wedi mynd? Mae Skype wedi agor. No, go away Skype. Right. Rwy wedi cwblhau yn hyn o flaen a rwy fi'n gwneud like unnoticed or completely, rwy fi'n really good. Ond ydw fi gallu bod yn bothered i gwneud unnoticed tro hyn? Oh! I missed! Nhw wedi gweld fi! Run! Hello, chef. Gee. Yeah! Dyna Hitman. Ni wedi gwneud e. Yay. Alright. Oops. Right, rwy'n mynd i gorffen efo hwnna. Diolch pawb am gwylio. Gobeithio rwyt ti'n hoffi'r FMV YnChwarae yn gynharach. Beth yn cael ei galw The Complex. Roedd hwnna really good. Rwy'n really joio hwnna, so gobeithio roedd pawb sydd wedi gwylio wedi joio hwnna ac wedi joio just siarad a chwarae tipyn bach o Hitman. So diolch pawb gwylio. Rwy'n gweld ti gyd yn y stream nesaf. Hwyl!